So I was given the opportunity to speak at a Christian camp up here in Montana for an entire week. So I asked the director if it'd be possible, since he was flying me and two of my daughters out, if we could arrive a few days earlier and hit many of the national parks in this incredible state. And he agreed to that. So our first video I want to show you is the first of the 5 stops we made before we arrived at this camp. We are in Fort Benton, Montana, at the Upper Missouri River Breaks National Monument. All right, it's been a very long day so far. We're heading up to Glacier tomorrow, but we are at Upper Missouri River Breaks National Monument. And since we're right here in the area, I just wanted to get a little bit of footage, put it on a very short vlog before I exasperate my 2 daughters. And then we're heading back to the campground and gonna get some sleep. But I hope you enjoy this. So we're on a dirt road now, bumpy dirt road, which will give us the first real look of the Missouri River. So this area right here is called Decision Point because when Lewis and Clark got to this location, they had a choice between 2 different rivers. You take the wrong one, you are stranded for the entire winter in Montana, which most likely could mean death. You take the correct one, that'll take you through the Rockies and into the Pacific Ocean. Thankfully, they did make the right choice. That was the Missouri River, and you know how the story ends.